This one is a 1963 Royal Safari. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. I believe the color is desert sand, so it's fitting for the name, Safari. To set the margins, you load the paper and there's a magic margin on each side. Right now the margin is at the edge of the paper there, but if you wanted it further deeper into the page, you can put it where you want it and you hit the magic margin, and the margin will magically appear at that spot. Same with the end. Say you wanted it closer towards the middle, you hit the magic margin and it'll magically hit that spot. What I'm doing is I'm holding the carriage release while I maneuver the carriage. It's got one on each side here. So if you want to set it closer to the edge, you hold the carriage release and the magic margin at the same time, and it'll let you set it at the edge. Same with this side. So I'm holding the carriage release with my left, and I press the magic margin with my right, and I can set it closer to the edge there. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit the line space here. Skips one space, brings you back to the beginning. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll skip a line and type a sentence. Type's really nice. This is a really easy to type on machine. Really popular style, and it's made, I'll show you the print, a close-up of the print real quick. It's got a nice print. You can't go wrong with the Royal. It was top of the line back in the time frame. It has this structural, it says rugged Royal, all metal structural design. So like everything is metal except for this front cosmetic here and the keys. So it's like really sturdy and strong. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switchboard and it allows you to pull it out. Releases the rollers underneath the platen. Also allows you to load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Backspace here on the top left works good. Touch control next to that. Low, medium, and high. When you push it down to high, you just got more resistance when you hit the keys. Less resistance when you have it on low. I like it on low. Got a shift on each side with a shift lock. This one has a tab function that's considered, call it a column. So you got column button here, you got a magic column set and a column clear. The column set on this machine is broken, but you could set tabs manually by removing this back panel. You just remove these two screws and you can set them with your finger. I set 3 myself, and we're going to test those. 1, 2, 3. Works good. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.